Hello there, welcome to another mathematics class. This class is specially designed for those who are writing WAEC, JAM, GCE, NAPTEP, and those that want deep knowledge in mathematics. Over the previous classes, we have been considering algebraic process. And in this class, we will be concluding algebraic process with undefined fraction. And the question we will be taking into consideration is, A, for what value or values of x is the expression 2x plus 11 over x squared plus x minus 20 not defined? And the B part of the question, for what value or values of x is the expression 0? The solution to the question. A, we have this expression which is 2x plus 11 over x squared plus x minus 20. We have to find the value or values of x that will make this expression to be undefined. You need to take note that when you are considering a fraction to be undefined, all what they are asking you to do is to make the denominator to be 0. So when you have 1 over 0, it's undefined. If you simply type that in your calculator, it gives you math error, and undefined means infinity. So to go about this, we will make the denominator, which is x squared plus x minus 20, and equate it to 0. Looking very well, the denominator is a quadratic equation. So that means the knowledge of solving quadratic equation will be applied in this. If you want more knowledge and want to know more about quadratic equation, I simply urge you to go to our previous videos on quadratic equation. Solving this, we have a quadratic equation which the product is this and this. That gives us 20x squared, and the sum is plus x. Taking into consideration, we have this quadratic equation which is x squared plus x minus 20. That means the product of this quadratic equation is minus 20x squared, and the sum is plus x. That means we are looking for two factors such that when you multiply them, you have minus 20x squared, and when you add them together, you have plus x. So the two numbers or the two factors are plus 5x and minus 4x. Putting that into this, we have x squared plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 equals to 0. So we have the first two and the last two. Looking at this bracket, we realize that x is common, giving us x plus 5 minus, and here we have 4. That means x. Whenever you have a minus before the bracket, that means the sign we have to change. So this gives us a plus 5 equals 0, making it x plus 5 and x minus 4 equals to 0. If we substitute that, we have x plus 5 equals to 0, or x minus 4 equals to 0, making x to be minus 5 or plus 4. So the value of x for this expression 2x plus 11 over x squared plus x minus 20 to be undefined is when x is minus 5 or when x is 4. Next is the B part of the question, which says, for what value or values of x is the expression 0? B, for the expression to be 0, that means we have 2x plus 11 over x squared plus x minus 20 equals to 0. All we just have to do now is cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we have 2x plus 11 equals to 0 times this will simply give us 0. That means we have here a linear equation, and for a linear you only have one answer. Solving this will give us 2x equals to minus 11. This is done by collecting like terms. From this linear equation, which is 2x plus 11 equals to 0, collecting like terms, we have 2x equals to minus 11. Dividing both sides by 2, we have x equals to minus 11 over 2. And putting this in mixed fraction, we have minus 5, 1 all over 2. So what that means is that we only have one value of x for which this expression, which is 2x plus 11 over x squared plus x minus 20, for it to be 0, that means x has to be minus 5 over 2. The value of x for which this expression is 0 is x equals to minus 5 over 2. Thank you very much, and we've come to the end of today's class. Till we meet again. Bye.